let us start with our topic. We will continue with the topic that we were started yesterday, right? Yesterday we discussed about similarity in triangles. Today we are continuing with that exercise 6.3, page number 140 of your textbook. Yesterday we had done questions, question number 1st, 2nd, 5th, 7th. We had discussed yesterday. Yes? Today we are going to discuss some more questions on angle similarity. Right? Take a look at question number 8. Page number 140. Question number 8. Everyone. It says E is a point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD and DE intersect CD at F. Show that. He's talking about a parallelogram, right? Let us draw a parallelogram. Figure is not given to us, so we draw the parallelogram first of all. ABCD is a parallelogram. So let us draw. This is a parallelogram, and which side is produced? AD is produced. So I am naming it A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. Opposite sides equal and parallel. This is the property of a parallelogram. 9th class we have studied. What is it? It says that opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal and parallel. Okay. Then what does he say? He says AD is produced of a parallelogram. AD. Where is AD? This is AD. Is produced. Produced means whenever we produce a line, it goes straight. Right. So we are producing this AD to E such that BE intersects CD at F. BE intersects CD at F. This is BE. And it is intersecting CD at F. Any problem? Clear? What does he say? He says, show that triangle ABE, this triangle is similar to triangle CFB, this triangle. Okay. Yesterday, when we discussed the questions, I told you question itself gives us the answer in geometry. And the most important part is what? Observation. Observe. Don't think what they are asking. Write down whatever you can see. Okay, nothing else to worry. Just write down. So what are the things given to us? First of all, first thing given to us, ABCD is a parallelogram and AD is produced to E such that BE intersects CD at F. Intersects CD at F. What we have to prove? We have to prove triangle. Which one? ABE. Similar to triangle CFB. Is it? Yes. Construction not required and proof. See, in geometry 9th class also we discussed these are the 4 steps which we need to follow. Given, to prove, construction and proof. Now we are doing along with the figure. Figure is important. You have to draw the figure in exam as well. Clear? Now observe. ABCD is what? Parallel. So we know the properties of a parallelogram. Properties of a parallelogram. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. Can we write it? Okay. Any other property of parallelogram you remember? Opposite angles of a parallelogram are also equal. Can you see opposite to this angle A, which is the angle? C. Very good. Are these 2 angles equal? Yes, sir. Opposite to this angle D, which is the angle? Complete angle B. Yes. But this angle B is divided into 2 parts. We are not worried about that. Forget it. We will write down whatever I can see. Because ABCD is a parallelogram. Therefore, AB is equal to CD. AB is parallel to CD. BC is equals to AD and BC is parallel to AD. And angles are also equal. Angle A equals to angle C and angle B is equals to angle B. Because it is a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and parallel and opposite angles are equal. We know the properties of a parallelogram, right? One more thing you have to observe. As I said, observation is very, very important. One more thing you need to observe. And your question is solved. One more thing, not about parallelogram but about the figure. Sorry. About the figure. Check. Everyone. Is this AD parallel to BC? Yes, sir. We are producing this AD, that means this DE portion will also be parallel to BC. Yes, sir. And we can see a line intersecting both these parallel lines. Which is that line? BE. Can you see that? So, is this angle equal to this angle? Reason? Alternate interior angles. Can we see that? These two lines are parallel and this BE is a transversal. So, this angle is equal to this angle. I can observe that. So, write it down. Write it down. Angle and angle AEB equals to angle CBF. Reason? Alternate interior angles. I'll name it angle number 1, angle number 2 for your convenience. That is, angle number 1 is equals to angle number, right? Now, which two triangles we need to prove similar? What's a triangle? ABE and CBF. Tell me which angle is equal visible to you? Is angle number 1 equals to angle number 2? Yes? Correct? And is angle A equals to angle C? Already know, sir, we are that opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. So, are these two triangles similar? By which property? Angle. Two angles of one triangle are respectively equal to two angles of the other triangle. Right? So, which property? Angle similarity. Therefore, in triangle ABE and triangle CFB, angle number 1 is equals to angle number 2 proved above, and angle A is equals to angle C proved above. So therefore, triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB by what similarity? A. Two angles are equal. Simple as that. Same way, you have to observe. Check question number 13. Again, figure is not given to you. You will have to draw the figure. Question number 13. What does he say? He says D is a point on the side BC of a triangle ABC. Say this is a triangle ABC. He did not say isosceles, parallel or what. This is the side triangle. And D is a point on the side BC. Where is the side BC? This. Did he say midpoint? No. Did he say somewhere closer to any point? No. हमने कोई सभी point लिए से this is the point D. Alright. Then he says D is a point on side BC of a triangle ABC such that angle ADC this angle is equals to angle BAC. Right? Clear? Then he says, show that. Forget what he is telling you to find. Let us write down whatever is given to us. Given D is a point on side BC of a triangle ABC. And second thing, angle ADC equals to angle BAC. What we have to prove? We have to prove CA square is equals to CB into CD. अब आप बोलोगे सर अभी तक हम एंगल सिमिलैरिटी प्रूव कर रहे थे ना, ये तो साइड्स है. CA, where is CA? Sir, this is CA. CB, where is CB? Sir, this is CB. And CD, where is CD? This is CD. सर साइड्स का तो रिलेशन हमने करा ही नहीं डिस्कस. Not to worry. Not to worry. Observe, observe, observe. Construction not required. Proof. What does the CA square mean? CA square. If I talk about 2 square, what does that mean? 2 multiplied by 2? Yes or no? 3 square, what does it mean? 3 multiplied by 3. But here it is CA square. So CA square means CA multiplied by CA 2 times. Yes, CA. Sir, CA square. CA square means CA multiplied by CA. That means it is coming how many times? 2 times. Where is CA? So this is CA. Is this CA a part of 2 triangles? Which 2 triangles? First one, ABC. Is CA part of this? Yes sir. And second triangle, ADC. इन दोनों ट्राइंगल में CA आ रहा है. आया ना? ओके. दूसरी बात CB. CB is a part of which triangle? ABC पूरा. Yes. And CD. CD is a part of which triangle? ADC. ये छोटा वाला. देख लिया हमने. इतना if you observe, no, half of the question is solved. Half of the question is solved. Right? तो मतलब मुझे पता चल गया, I come to know that मुझे 2 ट्राइंगल सिमिलर प्रूव करने हैं. कौन से? One bigger one and one this is smaller one. Yes or no? These 2 triangles I have to observe and I have to prove them similar. Why? Because when 2 triangles are similar, corresponding angles are equal and sides are proportional. Sides are proportional. In yesterday's live class we discussed that. Yesterday's video we discussed that. Right? So here also, which triangle I am going to take? I am going to take triangle in triangle BAC. BAC. This bigger one. Okay? And triangle ADC. ADC. This is smaller one. One is this bigger triangle and one is this smaller triangle. Do you find some angle common? Yes. Which one? Angle C. Is this angle C a part of this smaller one? Yes sir. Is this angle C, is it a part of bigger triangle as well? Right. So in triangle BAC and ABC, angle C is equals to angle C, that is common. One angle is common, one angle is equal. Right? Which is the other angle visible to us? Observe. कौन सा ट्राइंगल बना है? BAC and ADC. BAC चेक करो. BAC. ये पूरा एंगल A. Is it equal to some angle? किसके? एंगल ADC. एंगल BAC कौन से ट्राइंगल में है? बड़े वाले में. और ये एंगल ADC कौन से ट्राइंगल में? छोटे वाले में. Yes or no? तो are these 2 angles also equal? Angle BAC, that is the angle of a bigger triangle, equals to angle ADC, that is the angle of the smaller triangle. That is given to us in the question. Already given, we don't have to write. So therefore, triangle BAC is similar to triangle ADC by what similarity? एंगल एंगल, दो एंगल इक्वल हो गए, angle angle. See, yesterday also when we discussed about similarity, three similarities were there, but we are discussing first type of similarity first. All right, we are discussing first type of similarity, only angle angle right now if two triangles are similar, corresponding angles are equal and sides are not equal. अगर sides equal हो जाएंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा वो congruent. Corresponding angles are equal and sides are proportional in the same ratio. Proportional means what? In the same ratio, right? तो अब हम corresponding sides ढूंढेंगे. That is the most important part. Observe, ध्यान से. Because in similar triangles corresponding sides are proportional. So therefore look for the corresponding side. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कोई सी भी side किसी की भी proportional. No. What is the important word? Corresponding. In 9th class you remember CPCT. What was the full form of CPCT? Corresponding parts of congruent triangles, right? Corresponding was important. My right hand is corresponding to your right hand. Is it corresponding to the left? No. If we compare my right hand and your left palm, same होगा क्या? अलग अलग, right? तो corresponding. Now where is corresponding sides? Observe. कहां से आएंगे? साइड्स एंगल से ही पता चलता. देखो बड़ा वाला ट्रायंगल, बड़े वाले ट्रायंगल में हमने बोला था सर एंगल ए वाज इक्वल टू एंगल डी. व्हिच इज द साइड अपोजिट टू एंगल ए फॉर द बिगर ट्रायंगल? एंगल ए के अपोजिट साइड कौन सी है? बोलो. BC. एंगल ए के अपोजिट कौन सी साइड है? BC. That is CD upon angle A was equal to which angle? D. Opposite to this D, which is the side in a smaller triangle? AC. Corresponding side equals to. Then which was the angle common in both the triangles? C. Opposite to this C, which is the side for the bigger triangle? AB. And opposite to C, which is the side for the smaller triangle? AD. Yes or no? Right? Now which side is left? सर बड़े बड़े ट्राइंगल में CD हो गया, ये CD, AB हो गया, कौन सी बची? CA. छोटे वाले ट्राइंगल में CA हो गया, फिर AD हो गया, कौन सी बची? CD. This is how we write the corresponding sides. अब जो हमें रिक्वायरमेंट है हम उन दो को लेंगे. बिकॉज टू ट्राइंगल्स आर सिमिलर, कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स आर प्रोपोर्शनल. तो हमें क्या चाहिए? CA स्क्वायर और CB एंड CD. क्या हमें ये दोनों चीज चाहिए? नो सर, दिस इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. तो हम इन दोनों को कंपेयर करेंगे. तो चेक. सो देयरफॉर CB upon CA equals to CA upon CD. Cross multiply CA into CA. CA square is equals to CB into CD. CB into CD. Hence, because two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are proportional. Aya? Clear everyone? Let us discuss about another type of same type of question, angle property. Question number 8 we have done. Question number 9. Figure is there. Question number 9. Please check that question. In the given figure, ABC and AMP are two right triangles, right angled at B and M. Question number 9. 9 है ना? See the figure. This is the figure. This is one. This is one triangle, right triangle, and this is another triangle. A, B, perpendicular. This is C, this is M, and this is P. Right? What is given to us? Let us write. Let us write what is given to us. What is given to us? We are given triangle ABC and AMP. Write triangles ABC, ABC and triangle AMP, in which angle B is equals to angle M is equals to 90. Check karo. 98. Okay. What we have to prove? Two things we need to prove. First, triangle ABC similar to triangle AMP, and second, CA upon PA equals to BC upon MP. Construction not required. Proof. मैंने कल बोला था कि सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट क्या है ज्योमेट्री में? ऑब्जर्वेशन. एंड सेकंड बोला था कि क्वेश्चन में भी हमारा आंसर होता है. बोला था कौन से दो ट्रायंगल सिमिलर प्रूव कर रहे हैं? ट्रायंगल ABC एंड ट्रायंगल AMP. ऑब्जर्व देम. वेयर आर दे? ट्रायंगल ABC. कैन यू सी दैट? One angle is 90. Okay. Second triangle AMP. Where is it? AMP. दिख रहा है? One angle is 90. तो एक एंगल तो इक्वल हो गया ना हमारा? Yes or no? One angle is equal. We can see that. Triangle ABC, sir, one angle is 90. Triangle AMP, one angle is 90. So are these two angles equal? Can we write it? Write it down. In triangle ABC and triangle AMP, angle B is equals to angle M is equals to 90 given to us in the question. दे रखा है सर. राइट. फिर वापस ऑब्जर्वेशन. अगेन ऑब्जर्व एंगल ए, एंगल ए. चेक करना एंगल. इज दिस एंगल या पार्ट पूरा एंगल इज इट अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस ट्रायंगल एबीसी एंड इज इट आल्सो पार्ट ऑफ ट्रायंगल एएमपी? तो कल जैसे क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 का सेम आया. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, इज दिस एंगल ए कॉमन? Yes or no? Yes sir. So angle A equals to angle A, that is common. So are these two triangles similar? Yes sir. Yes. By which property? Angle. So therefore triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP by what similarity? A. First part proved. Second part, sir, if these two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are proportional. Yes or no? Write down the proportional sides. In similar triangles, corresponding sides are proportional. Therefore, observe the corresponding side. बहुत इजी है. अभी हमने करा. सबसे पहले आपने बोला एंगल B एंड एंगल M 90 डिग्री. तो अपोजिट टू एंगल B, which is the side? AC. Very good. CA upon this angle M, which is the opposite side? AP. That is PA. Yes. Right. Then angle A was common. Angle A opposite to angle A, which is the side? BC. And opposite to this angle A, which is the side? MP. Which is the third side left of the triangle? First of all observe triangle ABC. ये वाला triangle ABC कौन सी साइड हो गई? सर CA हो गई ये वाली. फिर BC हो गई ये वाली. कौन सी साइड बची? AB. है ना. और छोटे वाले दूसरे ट्रायंगल AMP में कौन सी बची? AM. क्या चाहिए आपको? CA अपॉन PA इक्वल्स टू BC अपॉन MP। आया नहीं आया? Yes, hence proved। Clear? Angle property is what we are discussing in this. Nothing new. Yesterday also we discussed questions on angle property. Today also we are discussing questions on angle property. आया समझ? Right? Take a look at another question. Question number 5 done. Question number 7, 8, 9, 11 and 13 yesterday also. Take a look at question number 10. Now this is important question. Why important? Because I said, I'm saying it again and again, most important is what? Observation. And with observation, your question itself gives you the correct answer, half of the answer. Okay, check that question. Figure is not given to us, we have to draw the figure. It says that CD and GH are respectively the bisectors of angle AC. What do you mean by bisectors? Which divides the angle into equal parts. Yes or no? That is what we call bisector. Sorry. So here two triangles are there, that is one is triangle ABC and second is triangle HGE. Correct? EFG rather. This is triangle A, B, C and second is triangle E, F, G. Okay, now read the question carefully. It says CD and GH are respectively bisector. Bisector means it divides the angle in two equal parts. Where is CD? Sir, this is CD. ये है CD. तो is this angle complete angle divided in two equal parts? Right? And GH, this is GH. This angle is again divided into equal parts. CD and GH bisect angle ACB and angle EGF respectively. Right? One more thing is given. Read it carefully. What is given? It says that such that D and H lie on sides AB and FE of triangle ABC and EFG respectively. If triangle ABC is similar, already given, and triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG. What does similar mean? कल सबसे पहला topic yesterday we discussed about similarity. What does similarity mean? Equal in angles and sides are proportional. Sides are proportional. The same thing we can write. First of all, what we have to prove, there are 2-3 things he wants us to prove over here. First, what does he want us to prove? CD upon GH equals to AC upon FG. Second part, what does he want us to prove? Triangle. Which triangle? BCD similar to triangle HGE. And thirdly, triangle BCA similar to triangle HGF. देखो, this question is very, very easy if we can observe. In geometry, all questions are very easy if we can observe. All right. See, proof. Check it out. क्या दिया है सर हमें? पहली चीज दी है ट्राइंगल ABC सिमिलर टू ट्राइंगल FEG. गिवन है. अगर ट्राइंगल सिमिलर है, कौन सा? ABC. सर ये बड़ा वाला ट्राइंगल इस छोटे वाले ट्राइंगल के सिमिलर है. और सिमिलर है तो कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स कैसे होंगे? इक्वल। और कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स कैसी होगी? प्रोपोर्शनल। होगी या नहीं होगी? हम लिख सकते हैं, लिख सकते हैं, लिखो। बिकॉज ट्राइंगल ABC is similar to triangle FEG, reason given to us. So therefore corresponding angles are equal. कल फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन हमने किया था corresponding angles वाला। एंगल A के corresponding कौन सा है? F। एंगल B के corresponding कौन सा है? E। और एंगल C के corresponding कौन सा है? G। Order is very important. Order is very, very important. Write it down. So therefore angle A is equals to angle F, angle B is equals to angle E, and angle C is equals to angle G. मैं फिगर में चेक करता हूँ सर ये एंगल्स है कहाँ? Where are these angles? Angle A equals to F. This angle is equals to this angle. Okay? Angle B is equals to E. This angle is equals to angle E. Now observe carefully. जो angles equal है ना तो में sign same है, symbol same है. Here angle A 2 crosses are there, angle F 2 crosses are there. A is equals to F. Then angle B 3 crosses are there, angle E 3 crosses are there. Right? And angle C is equals to D. The angle C you can see 1 and angle G you can see 1. Right? Clear? Along with this, क्या given है sir? Angle C is equals to G. If this complete angle is equals to this complete angle, will their halves be also equal? Yes, sir. If two people are given 100 rupees, are they equal? Yes. Then if I take half of it, that means 50-50 I have taken again. Are they equal? Yes, sir. So if complete are equal, their halves are also equal. Ayana? Right? So this is what is already given to us. Because angle C is equals to G, so therefore half of angle C is equals to half of angle G. I am naming this angle number 1, 2, 3, 4. That is angle number 1 is equals to 2 is equals to 3 is equals to 4. Will there all four parts be equal? Yes, sir. Correct? Clear? Now come down to our question. हमसे पूछा है, हम पहले सेकेंड पार्ट और थर्ड पार्ट को प्रूव करते हैं. कौन सा ट्राइंगल? DCB and HG. कहाँ है DCB? DCB, this triangle, and HGE, this triangle. Can you see things equal? मार्क है, ऑब्जर्व करो. It's already marked. दोनों ट्राइंगल में दिख रहा है कुछ इक्वल? हाँ, क्या? एंगल B किसके इक्वल है? एंगल E के है. Are they a part of these two triangles? And angle number 1, is it equals to angle number 4? हाँ है ना? तो what similarity? AA. दो एंगल इक्वल हो गए. फिर दूसरा ट्राइंगल DCA and HGF. DCA, this triangle, and HGF, this triangle. Can you see something is equal? देखो दिख रहा है. Which one? Angle A is equals to angle F. Very good. And angle 2 is equals to angle 3. Yes. So therefore, which similarity? AA. Angle. हाँ है ना? और थर्ड पूछा है हमसे CD upon GH equals to AC upon FG. कहाँ है सर AC and FG? AC and FG. तो अभी हमने इन दोनों ट्राइंगल्स को सिमिलर प्रूव करा. तो will the corresponding sides be also proportional? Yes sir. Corresponding sides भी कैसी होंगी? Proportional. वही साइड है CD upon GH is equals to AC upon FG. Because two triangles are similar, corresponding sides are proportional. Alright, so today you have to discuss, you have to solve all these 4 questions. 10th question I am not solving it, you have to solve on your own. Okay, thank you.